Good morning traders and welcome to today's live trading. Today is Thursday the 28th of September. As usual we are on the FTSE. Something you might have noticed that's new today is that I'm trading from a platform called Motive Wave. It's a platform I'm looking at probably using long term. Still in sort of the period of testing it out, so I thought I would give it a go today on live trading so you can get to see a bit of it as well. I may well do a review video on it actually. I've been pretty impressed so far. But getting to today's trading, I've marked in today's bands. You can see we've currently just opened. This is the 8 o'clock open candle. We're currently in this band here. We do have a couple above and a couple below as per usual. No immediate trades that I'm looking at this morning, but I will keep you posted if we do get any setups. I'll run you through them and we'll see how they get on. So I will talk to you a bit later on this morning. Okay, so we've just gone 8:15 now. You can see this was the 8 o'clock candle. This chart here is the 5 minutes, this one is the hourly, and this one is the 4 hourly, just to give you a bit of a broader picture really of what I'm looking at. These tend to be the three charts that I look at. I do have these two bigger on my other screens, but just so you can see what's going on as well, I thought that would be handy. But you can see this was the 8 o'clock candle here. We came down, we have closed outside of this band, and we've come back into it, but if you look over here at the 4 hourly chart, you can see this is the candle we're looking at. It's come down into sort of these structure highs here, lined up with the pivot and the ATMA, and usually I would expect to bounce there. We haven't closed through the ATMA on the hourly today, this trading session, so I'm willing to overlook that this on the 5 minute chart it has closed outside of this band. And I'm going to put an order just above this candle here at 16.9. So there's a buy stop in there, and if that gets triggered, I'll be looking for at least it to come up to this, around about this green line, if not the band above. So I'll leave the recording running, we'll see if it gets triggered and we'll see how it gets on. Okay, about 10 minutes on now, and you can see that price has not triggered this order and it is moving down slowly. It's come down enough now for me to overlook the analysis that I was looking at, and I'm going to cancel the order. It looks like it's comfortably broken below this band now and may want to move lower. So with that in mind, I may look for a revisit and a sell now, depending on what happens. Other than that, if it comes down to this band down here, I'd be happy to look for buys sort of back up to this band area, maybe the pivot. So we'll keep watching and see what happens a bit later on. Right, so we're just coming up to 9 o'clock now. You can see we have moved down to this band below that we were talking about this morning, and we've got a nice pin bar formed there. So the high of that candle was 96.8, so I want to be in it. It's 97.9. So there is a buy stop order there. Now, if price moves up, we've got a couple of things to contend with. We haven't tested this ATMA yet, but I am happy to trade from here regardless of that. What we might see is a move up, test of this area, and then a move back down. What I will do on the orders is I'm going to put my stop just 2 points below the low of this candle, which is 91.8, so we want to be 989. So stop at 89.8, and the limit order is going to be, I'll just put it at 10 for now, modify the order. So yeah, you can see here this is showing us there's a risk of £40 and a potential reward of £60, so that's like 1.5 to 1. It's a decent risk to reward, but I am going to bring this down just a smidgen. I don't like that it's in line with these. I'd like it to be just a little bit low. So yeah, £57 reward for a £40 risk, so a little under 1.5 to 1 now. So let's see if this trade gets triggered, and if it does, let's see if it can move up towards the target. Okay, so that one didn't actually take too long. 15 minutes, I think, in total from triggering to finishing. So I think, like I say, the risk to reward on that one was about 1.5 to 1, and a nice quick trade. So that is me all finished for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please do leave a like on the video, and if you haven't done already, please consider subscribing. I try to do these every week. Like I say, I think I probably will do a review video on this platform. I've been impressed with it so far. It has its little quirks and things, but there's a lot of useful features in here that I've found more than saved me plenty of time when compared to something like Pro Real Time, which I was using before. So if you're interested in that, let me know down below. I also looked at a platform called TradingView, which I thought was okay. It doesn't have as many features as this, but it's not as expensive, so I guess that's the trade-off. If you're interested to know more about that platform as well, let me know. And that, like I said, that's it. I'll wrap this up here, and I'll see you next week. Okay, so this is just an add-on to the video. You may or may not have realised something amiss with the live trade that I took today, and I'll show you what that is. Basically, MotiveWave comes with a built-in simulated account to allow users that download it to basically use the platform without having a real account. Stupidly, when you hook the platform up to your live account, it doesn't always use your live account.
I'm sorry, what?
What I will do on the orders is I'm going to put my stop just 2 points below the low of this candle, which is 91.8, so we want to be 989. I don't know why that is, but basically the trade that we took today has not used my live account, and I'll show you why. So you see, if I place an order in the market here, there's nothing about this ticket here that suggests that this isn't a live account trade. But if you open a proper order window, what you should see is this spread betting here pop up to show that you're using a spread betting account. What has actually happened is this simulated account has been used. I don't know why that is. I wish I did, but I show you if I go into positions, closed positions. The position we took today, look, for a £52 gain was on the simulated account. Very frustrating. I had absolutely no idea at the time that the account selected was simulated. I don't know why it's done that. I'm going to try and completely remove the simulated account from the platform so this never happens again. But just in case you thought I was trying to pull the wool over your eyes, not trading with real money or whatever, that's what's happened. I don't know why it's happened. The trade is good, nevertheless. You've seen me trade live with the real account plenty of times on Pro Real. If I continue to use this platform, I will be trading with real money going forward. No idea. Really frustrating. I'm really annoyed about it, to be honest. Can't be helped, but I just thought I'd let you know. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.